doing well. So continuing on our journey, today we would start with another uh, I could this challenge, and okay, we'll see. Okay, let's see. I will try to solve another CSS challenge, and then so we'll try to solve another challenge, and we'll go on from there. Uh, so let's see. Let me check if the stream is running. Okay. Yeah, so the stream is up and running right now. Let's see. This is our. Okay, let me move this little bit up. Isn't. Okay, let's check some settings here. Let's have this thing. Let's open our. We'll have to shrink this thing so that. Yeah, I guess this is looking good. Okay, so this is today's challenge. Okay, so as usual, this is what we can do is so this can be our main, and then let's have the yeah that's it's too zoomed in. Okay, so yeah, this can be the main, and so this container can be that main thing. This can be our this is basically our body, right? So we need to color the entire body, and we are going to center this container. We are going to center this thing. Now inside this thing I need to have two sections, so you can have one over here. We need to split these things. This is all column, so this is flex column. However, when I break these things, this line, right, this has to be so exactly half of the container has to be occupied. This line is at midpoint of container, and then okay, so we can have two boxes here. One is this and one is this. This has to be column aligned. This is column, and then let's have a different color. Yeah, so this thing can come as, so this is basically row, right? You can flex it using row, and this box can be flexed using column. Uh, is there anything else that we need to do? I guess I guess that should be all. Okay. So this is main and then inside container, right? Okay, so let's yeah, so let's go back and start coding. So this is going to be our new assignment, right? So you come here and then let's create a new folder. Say assignment. Oh, the spelling is something which is assignment 3. We need to create, right? So let's create and then okay, let's rename this to say, let's add that n here, and even let's rename this, let's add the n here. Okay, now let's list our directories. Let's go to our directories, which is, and then this is going to be empty. Oh, there is no directory found, so let's assignment 3 list all. Then let's create two files, index.html, and then let's create styles dot. Okay, so basically we have created both of them here. Let's write html5. No, oh, it's on. Yeah, I did give the prompt, right? So let's go to html. It should say ht. Oh yeah, we are in styles.css. So let's close all these. Let's have our um, let's say this thing, whatever it is. Let's close this as well. Let's type in html5. Let's attach our link, and then I have my css picked here. Okay, yeah, this is after, and then yeah, this is basically changing the content, sorry, box sizing to border box. So this is a universal selector, right? So I've applied on all of the elements. Then what do we have next? Next is, okay, we start here. We come in, having the main. Inside the main, uh, we have our container coming in. So even our container has two paths, right? Upper and lower. So you can say this is, one is my upper part, and then okay, this is one thing. So inside the container I am going to have another called as lower card. Okay, now inside the upper card, now I'm going to add in the elements, right? So first is this heart image that is going to come. So okay, let's wrap it inside. So let's say this is div dot upper card underscore image. So and then let's have the image tag coming here, and then we have the text, right? So we can have one more container here, that is Okay, this already upper container that is created, right? So in that, now I can add. So H1 is, this is going to be, so unlock to see more. So if you do, this is H1 because uh it's like a heading, right? To see more, like source. I have H1, then I need to add a paragraph, right? So paragraph will upgrade to see who liked your shots. Okay. Who liked your shots in last 50 days. And then I need to have the button. So this is the button. Inside the button I have try free. This is the upper card that has been generated. Now when you come to the lower card, there are two sides to the lower card, right? Yeah, this is div dot lower underscore, oh sorry, this can, so lower card underscore images. So in that I'll be having my image, right? And then one more I'm having is div dot lower card underscore text. So in that I'll be having, so this is again h1 that is coming in profile view matters. It's a header, but okay, let's see. Well, h1 is already taken, like we already have one big header, so let's keep it to. I need to again profile views matter, and then I have the p tag coming in. Getting more profile views can help. You get found for the right up, so you can say getting, we are just trying to getting more profile, you found for the right opportunity, you got found for the opportunity. And then you have a p tag. Update your profile with latest information so people can find you in searches. So update your profile with latest information so that people can find you in searches. Let's add one more p tag, which is connect with people to grow your network and get found. So connect, missed say, connect with people to grow your network and get found for the right opportunity. Get found for more opportunities. For more opportunities. More opportunities. And then let's add another p tag. Okay, let's say engage with your feed to be visible. Visible with, okay. So engage with people to engage with your feed. With your feed to be visible to people that matter. Most Let's see the HTML which has come in. So let's open this live server. Okay, live server has started. Okay, just come on the. Let's get the. Okay, so it's looking this. Okay, let's go to my. So the way it's this is how it's looking right now. Yeah, unlock to see more source, try free. Okay, and then let's come back to the original thing which we are. This is yeah. So now we need the images, right? Let's see. Let's get the images from somewhere. Okay. Let's. Oh, is it? Yeah. So this is the image, right? So I'm going to do copy image, and then this is one image that we need. Were I able to get the, let's say, control A, control C? It's coming here. Okay. This is that image, right? So we have the image here. Okay. Let's create a folder called as assets, and then maybe in that we can add this thing. Let's create assets, and then let's add this thing over there. Let's go to and so this is we need the entire path, right? Copy path. So if you see the path, let's paste the path and see what I'm getting. So I need to be in assignment 3 assets, but I'm already here, right? So we need the relative. So let's go the relative. Yeah. Let's go back to our index. And then, so this is the image, right? Let's have the, okay, so there's this, let's go back. Let's refresh. This thing is not, oh, I didn't save it. Let's come here. Let's refresh. This assignment 3. Okay, let's take the original part itself. Let's forget the relate. So let's copy path. Come here. Paste this. Let's stop, and let's. Why is the, there is something which is not coming. Yes. So if I click on, isn't this opening? An error occurred while loading the image. I don't know why. Having moved. This is your right. Let's say the related path. This open here. Because right now it's in, you are already in that, in the same folder. And now when I follow link, why is this not? Let's close VS Code. Let's open it again. Okay, we have VS Code opening. Let's go to open. Let icon open. Yeah, this. Why isn't this? The path seems to be a problem. I don't know why. But this should work. If I do. Okay, let's. The image is not loading. I will have to get the link, I guess. Okay. We'll see that. How to fix that. And then we need one more thing, right? So we need this image as well. So let's copy, have this thing pasted. Download original image. So this is saved in the downloads. And then let's move it here. Let's move this trash and this thing. If I go here back, does it open? I have two folders here, so let's first of all, what is this? Drop this folder. Now we only have assets, and I have the screenshot. Let's have the assets. I don't know, but then if you do a link, then it would open something else. I have the link present here. Let's go back and see what happened to document. I guess this is try to open with the server. Then go to inspect. Let's go to body. Let's go to let's go to the stack is empty. Okay. Let's go back to our card. Our card images. Okay. That images are not loading well. I don't know why. some path or something. I don't know. Okay, let's begin with body. Let's start placing our container. So we give it a display flex, and then we need to do it both sides, right? Justify content center, and then let's align items center. Now this board, oh, yeah, the main thing has to be given. Let's go to, let's apply the root property. Let's apply to the root, right? So we go to the root, and then we need the color, right? Okay. So this is all the different colors that I have spaced, and then let's screen to be primary. Let's have the vice small tertiary. This is quarter quaternary. Okay, this has to be font size. You can have this as y. This is again font size, right? Let's have this as quaternary font width, and then so when you come to body, let's give body a color. So let's say background color, and then which is the color that is. So the color, oh, a color BG has to come here, right? So I do hyphen, apply this color, minimum height, let's say. We need the entire thing, right? And then let's say 100 view height. Let's go back. Let's refresh it. Oh, body is not a tag, right? Body is it's a tag. So it has been centered. Background color has changed. Now let's go to our container. Mm, yeah, let's go to our container. So let's say this is container class, and inside that let me apply a background color of white. Let's display it flex, and then I need to be flex direction column, so that I can have that small line that is coming up. And then I need to space it, justify content space between, so that okay. And then we need to add one more thing. Yeah, we need to align them vertically, so let's give it center. Okay, let's have a gap between them, so I'm going to do a 5 gap. Okay, and then the container border has to be curved, right? So let's give it a, this is okay. So here it's not text, so we are going to top left. Okay, it's coming as curved. Let's have a shadow coming in, so we are going to do is 10 pixels, and then we are going to use a variable which is, oh no, we need to do, so there is box shadow color which is correct, but then this has to be, okay, this has to be, yeah, and then hyphen, yeah, box shadow. So basically we have given it a radius, given a box shadow, Flex it. Mm-hmm. Now what? Oh, now let's go to the upper cards. So if you go to the, let's have this upper card as flex. This has to be flex direction column, right? We need, and then yeah, let's space it. Let's have a justify content space between so that it's all of them are evenly spaced. Let's align it vertically, and then no, the upper card has to be column. I don't need a justify content over here. Uh, and then so now this is text, right? Okay, let's have my site call. So if I come here and then if I do an inspect, it's saying apply a little bit. You see the preview. Do I need a padding here? If I give it this thin line right, what I need a padding 10. Just want to move. Let us see that later on. I don't think so. We'll see that later on. Let's go to the. Let's close this. Let's. So then we have our button as well, right? So we need to go to upper card button. So we go to upper card button and then let's add. We need to yeah, first let's get a background color and say so this is uh, okay, and then now inside the element we need a padding, right? Like we need to add padding, so I'm going to do pad because this is text. I'm going to add a padding and then padding from top. So okay, the button has become bigger, and then now we need to give it a border radius. Say off. Okay. Now the font color. The font color has to be white, right? So let's go this and say color white. Okay. And then so you see this has a black border itself. Let's get rid of that. Shade one now. Okay. Mm, let's increase the font size and then so I have FS Okay. And font weight is this is, and then okay, so this is also having a shadow, so box shadow 10 pixels. uh, and then let's have, this is the color, right? So let's paste the color. Okay, and okay, now let's work on the lower card. So lower card also has to be, oh, we have to flex it row and column, right? So you have to lower, if you see lower card has two sides, right? This lower card, okay, we are going to apply, let's count down. So this lower card flexes left and right. So let's do lower card. This is flex direction row, and then video flex, oh sorry, display flex. My default flex direction is, oh, let's mention that. So I got two, okay, and then let's arrange the space between them. So we are going to do justify content space between, okay, wait, let me go here. But then this is given in my thing. Let me add a text. Yes, so I'm going to do flex direction row display flex, and so this is too close to the border, right? So if you come here, whatever, let's go inside. So this thing is very close to the border. So let's give this a padding, say little bit from the border. So let's come and add a padding. And then let's add a padding right as well. This is going to be 1 point. Let's give it a gap. There is spacing between the elements. So this is, there is some space that has come in between the flexed items. Okay. So now let's go to the, first is the H2, right? So I need to change the font size to say Then let's add. Now remember, this is also when we are selecting siblings. I'm going to do first of type. This makes sense to use here because you have two paragraphs, right? So, and then you can add some font size, say secondary. Then you add I need to add that weight. Let's make it a little bit heavy. 700. And then let's wrap the text around properly. So text, text wrap, and then let's have it balanced. Okay. And let's go to the lower. So this is something to all the P's that we need to add is the color. So let's add a font size and then let's say this is okay. And oh, if you say the preview, so I need that line, but I need to get to the first of type. Yeah, what's the, this is 0 to 1, right? This is 0 1 1. This should be applied. Okay, did I save this line? Let's go back. Oh, it's lower card underscore text, I guess. Because this is inside another. Yeah, this is. Okay, I guess what is happening is this has to be lower card underscore text. I need. So why is it just getting applied? Let's go to inspect. Let's refresh. Uh, okay, so close this thing. Let's go to inspect. And isn't that thing coming in? Oh, the font style has changed. Yeah, it's become different now. Okay, now I need the so you're in the middle, then I show you a line that is coming in, right? I need to check for that. That what I can do is I have to get the middle line now. So below lower card I need, above a lower card I need that line, right? Uh, Yeah, I didn't. Yeah, this is on the paragraph, so let's go. Okay. Now, oh yeah, so the container has to. Yeah, this is too big of a container, right? There should be something to manage. So you say the width. I need to change the width, say 22. So now it's like more squeezed in. And then what am I missing now? Yeah, this is too close, I feel. Yeah, okay, so now what is going to happen is I need that inside. Okay, let's come back. Let's check. Let's minimize. So this board is my container, right? So inside I need to add some padding. So I say, yeah, this padding, but then this is block. Say how much? Uh, but this H1 is coming too close. But there is a padding from top, and there is 32 from. I go to the container, there is some padding that I have missed somewhere. So I go to the upper card. Is this? No, is that come? Okay, is it? How is the? How is this padding coming in here? So if I go here, oh, so yeah, I need to add a padding. So let's go to padding. This is text, right? I can know in line say this is 16 pixels, 32 pixels. So yeah, now it's little red. So if I maximize, this is because it's trying to take up the screen size, right? If I have set it here, let's uh, unlock to see. Unlock to see. Okay, let's see what is happening to H1. So why is it? I need to this H1. H2. Oh yeah, so I need to add something to the body, right? That is being adopted by all. So I come to my body. Yeah, this. So if I go that, so that is. Yeah, I need to change this. Now if we go back, yeah, so now it has become proper, right? And then how to get that? We need to get the line, right? Okay, that's there has to be this division line that is coming in. So mhm. Well, let's see about the image. Why is the image not coming? Uh, just just add it over here inside this, and then let's copy pub. Screenshot. Let's give it a size something. Let's let's try giving the image a size and say 7 okay, let's give it 2 bits and height and see what happens. So does that change anything? No, this is what is happening across the network. This yeah, it's not able to find that file itself. Cannot get why it's happening. So you're saying we have to use the, oh, the path is not right. So if I say, okay, let's rename this to say heart. So let's come back to our index. Yeah, I thought, okay, this is not the correct. Let's write heart. And no, it's, yeah, it should work now. Let's go to assets and then let's get this thing out. Let's add this thing. This should be slash assets. Uh, slash hearts. Is it? No. Right. Is that now working? No. What is the path? Yeah, it has to be asset slash. Yeah. And then, so if you follow this link. Okay, I got my heart. And now let's change this to celebration. Let's have it. Let's come back to our index. And then this. Just the asset slash. So now if I go back to my document, yeah, let's go back. Yeah, so we have everything coming up here. Okay. Yeah, that's all for this challenge. I hope you guys liked it. I'll see you guys another one with another challenge, and then we'll go on from there. Please subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching. So see you guys in the next one. Till that time, take care. Bye bye.